Okay, let's start from the top. Are you ready?
Yeah, get me by.
Yeah, we're ready. You ready? Ready, Teddy. Hey, man. Ready for a haircut?
Yeah.
In your parents' tattoo shop?
No, it's mine.
It's yours?
Yeah.
Got the Rooster Booster. Put that up there. Up here. Oh, man. Did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw that you got some toys from Buff Monster.
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you get?
I got a book that had all of his designs in it.
Did you get some actual figures from him too?
Yeah, I got a bunch of them. They kind of look like ice cream, I guess you could say.
Okay.
They're called the Melty Misfits.
The Melty Misfits.
Yeah.
That's rad, dude. Have you done a lot of tattoos, Rooster?
Maybe like 10 or
10?
a dozen.
That's a lot. That's much more than I've done. What are some of your favorite ones that you've done?
I've done a rooster on my parents.
They both let you tattoo them?
Yeah.
Should I be excited to get a rooster?
Yeah.
Who else have you tattooed?
I tattooed my teacher with a heart.
No way.
Yeah.
Did she love it?
Yeah. I've gotten to tattoo a band.
The whole band?
No, just one person from the band. but
What band is this?
Bayside?
Bayside? Oh, no way. Love Bayside. That's awesome.
What the f is up with that gnome?
With my gnome?
Yeah.
Alright, well, that's pizza. Pete apostrophe Z-A. I used to deliver pizzas in Houston for like 3 years at Pink's Pizza. It was really weird, man. I went up, some girl set of stairs. Right when I get there, she's got that gnome in her hand. And she goes, oh, I can't get rid of it. I go, what are you talking about? She's like, dude, I've been trying for months now to get rid of this gnome. I go, what do you mean? She goes, well, a couple months ago, I took it to a friend's house. And 2 weeks later, it showed back up to my place. She threw it away in the dumpster, showed back up at her place. Saw it get taken from the garbage truck, and it still showed back up at her place. So, I lived kind of far away at the time. Alright, well, I'll take it off your hands. I go, why don't you go ahead and give it to me? And so, there you have it, man. Pizza, dude. So he's pretty cool. He's been my road dog for a while. Where'd you get green hair?
Ashley?
Ashley Vaughn at Vein Salon? Alright. Yeah. Shout out to Ashley. It looks good, man. Why green?
I was just into the color green.
Yeah? Is it because you love Mountain Dew so much?
Yeah.
I heard that community service is a pretty big priority for you.
Yeah.
What do you like doing?
Going to like animal shelters and trying to help out the dogs as much as possible. And pets.
All pets?
Yeah.
Cats?
Maybe not that.
Yeah. Alright. We got this stuff.
I thought that was funny how it flew.
I know, it keeps doing it! Okay, we gotta get it ready, So, Rooster, we've got Paul Mitchell, the conditioner, and we're gonna put a little bit in. It's got a very clean scent to it. Not much. A little goes a very long way. Keep it in there, and that way you can brush your hair out just a little bit easier. A lot of bit easier. So I know you're not brushing it. Cool. So, you ready to give me a tattoo?
Yeah, ready to put a cock on you.
Yeah. You like the haircut?
Yeah.
Yeah. No hair in the eyes?
Nope.
All right. I'm gonna need those. Awesome, man. Looks good, bud. You good? Nope. Awesome. Thanks, my man. Ready? All right.
Like that, Teddy?
Yeah, good. Yeah, it feels great.
Just making sure.
Yeah. It hurts.
That one right there. Yeah, boy.
It's quick.
It's
Quick. Doing awesome.
Does it hurt right there by your vagina?
Oh shit!
Did Teddy do something to you?
I don't know.
Man. That's a rooster.
It's solid. All right.
People pay big money for that.
Yeah, dude. All right, you ready to get paid?
Yeah.
Nah, dude.